Newsela provides teachers and students with authentic, real world content, including engaging texts, videos, and multimedia. When looking for specific content on Newsela, use the search tool. Just type what you're looking for. To narrow your search results, filter content by language, reading level, maturity level, instructional feature, standard, and topic. With Newsela ELA, you can also filter by the reading skills assessed in our standards-aligned quizzes. Instantly create an assignment or click into content to review it and customize it for your lesson. Determine your assign options, then either save a draft or create an assignment. Use search to find relevant content that's just right for your classroom with over 15,000 instructional resources on Newsela.